Oh, why do you say that?
Huh?
Why do you say that?
What?
You're screwed.
You're gonna get hit soon.
So we're basically going to get a bunch of kids with GoPros. That's got to be something. Every time I gotta go. You guys know the rush school? What? No, I go to Pine Charter. I'm friends with Ryan. Oh, you go to Pine Charter?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah,
All our guys are here.
all Pine Charter people are here. Oh, that's awesome shit, man. No, but on the other team, there's a rush group, like actual team that will kick our, probably the ones that will kick our ass and try to go to our school. Okay, cool.
They're definitely coming inside the house.
They're the ones that they're the ones that are gonna fuck. That's all I can tell you.
They're gonna move really quick. So we gotta defend.
They're gonna be here literally in a matter of seconds. You have to watch out for them. You have to watch all sides. It'd be great if you guys go into the house and watch all of the on the other right side. Where's Naeem?
Where's Naeem? Up your nose.
Oh, shit, found him.
You're dumbass, you didn't even see him.
That's because he's not different.
You guys can be in the house setting up if you want.
Alright. You're gonna be outside the house?
What the hell? Why not?
I'd be kind of scared.
Alright then. Gotta do it.
Instead of one having more faith, I could like move. Oh, man.
You gotta be different, bro. Breast cancer. Breast cancer. You're so stupid.
It's not them breast cancer about shooting.
You know what? It doesn't hurt to give everyone
Where are you going?
awareness. In the house.
Smart choice, let's go.
Extra, I'll be here. You go there. I want you to crowd scout. Small enough to be right here. Got it? Hey, who's tight enough to fit this thing?
What?
Get in there, Zach. Okay, we're good on that.
How many people we got over here?
There's like a ton of people in the fucking garage.
Seriously?
I don't care, we're good enough. You guys signed the way, right? We're good enough. One of you guys going to the library. You're cool, man. Don't never find
How many people are
to keep them out.
gonna get over here?
Are we allowed to be on like the start like that?
Yeah. You can't leave right here though. But you're gonna get shot right here.
If they come up through there.
They're just gonna run, and then once they get here, they'll take everybody over here.
But what if we stay right here, right?
Uh-oh, game's about to start. Game about to start. No, never.
That side is covered.
Yeah, but what about this
What
side?
about this side?
We're coming this side.
We're walking inside.
I already know they're gonna work up in the Everglades.
Yeah, so we just gotta watch the other door. Well, that and the rest of the way.
Danny.
No, guys, 7-Eleven. Look, okay. Well, Knight's already out. How did Knight get out? What? You're out.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
It was jamming.
It wasn't jamming.
I'm telling you, it was jammed.
They're working through that.
It was jammed. I'm telling you, it was jammed.
Watch out. Watch out. Huh?
No Polano!
He's right there?
What's that? What's that? He's in the...
Yo, watch out. He's right under.
Yeah.
He's under. Back up. Watch out. He's working in. Watch out, you're gonna get shot right there. You're hit? What, by the window? How many guys do we got left? Is there anybody in the garage?
Yeah, we got guys covering it.
You might want to back up.
Where'd he go? He's back there. Got one. There is 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven got it.
What's that? They're gonna come around the corner in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Why don't you get out of that corner? They're up in Everglades. Oh shit. Running out of guys over here. They can't get over. They can't get in there from there. There's windows. Get back and forth. Come on. I'm down there, Everglades. Oh, he's breathing.
Someone up there by white.
Huh? Oh shit. Call it! Motherfucker.
Can you get him?
What's up? You're hit! You're hit! Back up, back up, back up, back up. Ooh. Back up. Get out of there. Watch out, they're coming through.
We got guys coming through
They're
here
coming
in the garage.
Yep. Yep. Do we have anybody looking over that one?
Oh, under the car, under the car! He's trying to peek out under the car. Yo, watch out.
Watch out. Ryan, watch out. They're right there.
Yeah, they're in there?
They're in the back of the house?
Yeah.
I got the red part. Get this side, get this.
Alright,
Right there.
I'm good.
I'm blasting and I'm coming through the door.
Alright, guys, cover it.
They're right here. They'll probably throw an egg in here.
Watch it.
So be careful when you throw an egg. Yeah, they're coming.
They're coming?
Watch out.
Yo, shoot at them.
Or you can always throw the grenade back.
Yo, throw a grenade back there. Somebody.
Yo, be careful.
Come here.
Don't come here. Come here. I missed. There's a part where it doesn't. Rush knows about this because I do it with him, so I don't know that I'm here.
Just watch that window.
Over there. You got you?
Probably gonna come on by the purple one.
Hey, make sure you're covering, yo.
Jacob. Come here.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Come here.
Get that side, stand right there.
Stay right there.
I got your, I got
Watch
your
that window.
right there, right there. Get this side, get the
Get that side.
Stay
Get
right
that
there.
side.
Get that side. I got. Oh, stay right there.
They're coming, they're coming. Alright, watch out. What's this side?
What?
Keep your gun up at all times because I don't want to shoot it, alright?
Watch it. Get ready. Get ready, they're coming.
I'll be the first one to get it over. Just fucking ready.
We got the
Watch out,
rest
you hear them? You hear them? Watch out, watch out. Is it auto or what?
Hey, why you going auto? Hey!
Jacob, you might want to move. Jacob's gonna get hit in a minute. Get ready.
Watch out where you going, watch out where you going.
Watch that door. I think they're gonna come through here first.
They're all gonna rush us at the same time.